So welcome guys. The next question in this algorithm series is minimax sum. So basically in this question they are passing five integers. Yeah, they are passing five integers and we have to find the minimum sum and maximum sum with four numbers, exactly four of the five integers. Here they are saying we have to find the minimum sum and maximum sum. Okay, so here they are passing five integers. The minimum sum of four integers is 10 using this, and maximum sum is 14. Okay, so basically the logic is we have to find the sum of four numbers. Okay, so there are five numbers. Okay, input is always coming five numbers. We have to find the sum of four numbers, minimum and maximum. So for minimum, okay, so if I want to find the minimum sum of four numbers, then what I have to do, I will find the sum of all five numbers and I will subtract the minimum number, means the lowest number from the sum. Okay, means I will find the sum of all numbers of all my five integers as I will iterate my loop. Okay, we will do code soon. Okay, and I will minus my lowest number, my minimum number. Okay, using this I will find maximum sum. Okay, using this I will find maximum sum. And for maximum, if I minus uh, if I minus maximum number, okay, now my maximum number is 5. If I subtract maximum number from sum, then I will get the minimum sum. Okay, so if you are looking, if I subtract the minimum number, then I will get the maximum sum, and if I subtract maximum number, then I will get minimum sum. Okay, so the simple thing is find the sum of all numbers and subtract the minimum and maximum number from that sum. Okay, so I will make a video on one liner in Python. The logic is same, but I will show you in C. Okay, because in C I think C is the better. Okay, so here they are taking all inputs through files and they are passing array and the count length of that array in this array count. Okay, so now what we have to do, I have to find minimum and maximum number. Okay, so minimum and maximum number I have to find. So for that, here first of all I will create int minimum. Okay, int minimum is equal to 0, maximum is equal to 0. Okay, so here I am creating that. Now what I will do, I will iterate my loop. Okay, I will iterate my loop and I will check every number with this minimum and maximum variable. So for that, for int I is equal to 0, I is less than arr count, that is our length of array I plus plus. So now I will first check that if arr of I, okay, means I am checking every element. If arr of I is less than minimum, okay, if arr of I is less than minimum, then I want to assign minimum is equal to arr of I. Okay, so now I have to change here my minimum. Okay, so here I will assign my minimum with the maximum value. Okay, I am taking this imaginary number. Okay, so if my element is less than minimum, then I will assign minimum is with that element. Okay, so similarly here I will write if, okay, if even I can write else if arr of I is greater than maximum. Okay, if my element is greater than max variable, then I will assign max is equal to arr of I. Okay, so using this I will find minimum and maximum. So without wasting time, I will I will find the sum of all elements in this loop. Okay, So I will create here sum is equal to 0, and I will write here at the end sum is equal to sum plus ARR of I. Okay, use means I am doing all the things in this one loop that will reduce our time complexity. So here I am finding the sum. Now I will print, means what I have to print, I have to print minimum sum and maximum sum. Okay, so now I will here, if we don't want written na, yeah, the prototype is void, so I have to print here. Okay, so here I will write printf %d space, I think in there is space, yeah, %d again. Now what we have to do, we have to print first minimum sum. So for finding minimum sum, we will need sum minus maximum number. Okay, the maximum number that we will find. Okay, now sum minus minimum, this one is for maximum sum. Okay, so now I will run the code, we'll see is it working or not. I think it will work fine. Yeah, is it working fine? Okay, so just we have done all the things in one array to reduce our time complexity. So why it is getting failed at? Okay, so here I will unlock this one, means I will see why it was giving a wrong answer. So it was giving a wrong answer because of our this value. Which value, bro? Okay, so for this value, so I will do one thing that, okay, so I will assign this minimum with 0. I will do one thing, if, okay, so without wasting time I will directly do here ARR of ARR of 0. Okay, so yeah, I can do that. Now I will run my code. It was running before also. We have to submit the code now. Now I think it will, why again it is giving the error. Okay, so I will copy this, Control C, and I will test here, Control V. Now I will run. Why it is giving problem? Okay, my output is giving negative values. So means why it is giving negative values? So it was giving a problem because the range of our integer, means the range of integer data type is, I think, that is exceeding, and the problem is that, means if we find the sum of these all numbers, the range will exceed. That's why it was giving error. So I will change my data type. I will write here long int. Okay, means the range of my number will increase. Okay, so here I have to then format specifier use ELD. Okay, so just I have changed my data type. Now I will directly submit the code. Okay, so the problem was that, means they are passing a long values, big values, so that's why it was exceeding our range, and that's the thing. Okay, so thank you guys.